Hi. Welcome back to Cryptos to Invest. Welcome back to this channel where we're going to talk about Kaspa Price and Kaspa Prediction. Thank you for being here. If you are just only seeing this video for the first time, I really recommend you to subscribe to this channel to not miss any update about crypto and the market and the financial market in general. So today we having, as we discussed in the last preview, just the last uploaded one, we talked about the gold. It will close on the $2,000 per ounce, and it did, and right now it's continuing the up move to the supply area 2, which is going to be here in 2,100, and we may see a new all-time high for the gold because this is a good time for the gold to do a new all-time high because of what's going on for the banks and the economy in the United States and the inflation and the effect of it. So that's one thing put aside. We're going to come back here to Casper price, so which is really interesting. So we've been talking in the last video that we've been also uploaded about Casper price. We said that there is a fifth wave move coming underway. So we just have to be patient until that happens. And we've been actually expecting this um, this one you see in here. I've been expecting it, so that's why I put it here for so long time. And was about 92 to almost like about 135% that we've been expecting to go up before we're going to see a huge correction. So really yesterday it did a very huge move from this side, from 0.014 to almost like 0.18. So it's about still, if we're going to count it from there, from the last price to our target, so it will be about 36%, which is really easy. You can just close your eyes, open them, and then you're going to find it in 0.25. So we invested about 5K actually down here in 0.0060. 65, I would guess. Let me see the calculation for that, what that look like. So if I calculated 5,000, I think we got 0.006, let's put 61. That's about 800K of Casper. So if we would calculate that on 0.018 of yesterday's price, that's 14K, guys, minus 5K of the initial investment, then that would be about 9K, 9,700 as a like net profit, and we still need it actually to go to 0.25. That's where we're gonna cash out. 90% of my investment on this Casper. So I'm really still waiting for this Casper to hit up this target price right here. So let me just write it down to you. So target price, price 0.25, okay, 25, not pound, but dollars or USDT. So this is the target price we are looking for. But one thing that I noticed is it did really hold right here for a couple days above the 0.012, even if Bitcoin was at that time was like going down. That's where it hits actually 0.90. But it did really a quick recovery, but it stayed above this area for a long time. If I put this on 4 hours, you can see right here. Soon as actually break it recovered or actually did the correction above it, and then it went back up. So this is a continuation, a clear continuation, as we still also trading above the moving averages, the 50 and exponential one, the 20. So even on a daily, they still above those two moving averages, which is here in yellow and blue. So that's a really, really, really positive sign, and it keeps also right now pumping. And we may end up this week or the end of this week on this price or even more. So that what I expect from the Casper price, as well as you can see the RSI here on daily. It went actually, so that's where we're gonna sell soon as the RSI on daily hit about 87 to 90. That's where we're gonna cash out, because the most of the time all the cryptocurrencies out there, when they hit more than 85, 90, 94, 91, 92 in the RSI on a daily chart, it's the time to go down. All right, so that's what we're going to consider as a point of the price reflecting the direction of it, meaning going to the downside. So that's one thing that I'm looking for, and I really, really right now looking for this to close right here, and that 30% will also make the RSI go to 0.90 or to 90 here. It's not 0.90 but 90. So that's one thing that you have also to consider if you already invested on this one on down here on this area right here in this. Okay, just let me see. Here we go. So if you invested on this project from this area, so it's time that you cash out also in this area. All right, you have to cash out, guys, right here. Nevertheless, that's not financial advice. That's your appointment and that's your decision to make. If you want willing to hold more, then hold it. If you want to cash out and then buy again on a deep, I mean, soon as it reaches again 0.10 or 0.090, then you buy again, rebuy again, and go back again. In that way, you're gonna just make a double investment of return or double return of investment. So this is what I see from here. So it's still right now, actually, it's still above the 50 of the Fibonacci. So we have to keep itself right there. But if we wanna gonna adjust this Fibonacci, we're gonna bring it to the last point it went to. And that will show us where the price have to stay in order for it to stay also bullish or positive. So this is where the price has to stay. Okay, the price has to stay above this area in order for it to stay like bullish. So something like, oops, all right, and something struggling here, and then all of a sudden go up. So that's one thing that we have to consider. Going down here, it may turn again bearish, but the one that will also indicate that there is a huge correction is going down the 0.010. So down here is again the rebuy area. It's down here. This is a rebuy area. But here it's just actually a correction. But the bullish area to stay, as I said, bullish, we have to stay above here. So we have actually to stay above this area right here to keep the price going up. All right, so one thing that also drives the price of this particular coin is that people right now looking for new projects to mine, and they're looking for this low low game curves to mine in order for them to sell them at high price in the bull market. So this is one of the currencies actually that a lot of miners turn to mine, and it's becoming popular out there. I don't know, because of the aggressive marketing that they do in the social media, or it's just has a high reward on the mining, because I don't know if that has actually the high rate of return on mining or not, but I can search that out and make a video about that too. So that's up for this video today. I hope you like this content, and if you subscribe to this channel, welcome you back. If you are not, please consider subscribing to the channel to not miss any new update about cryptocurrencies that we bring in to discuss on this channel. Have a great day. ahead. And thank you for being here. See you soon in the next one.